Hi, good day everyone. Welcome to Great Down Technology. Here today we have a customer in our office who wants to fix his phone, and now we can see as we are working on it, the back got cracked, so he wants to change it. So here you can see we are removing the back, trying to fix another one back in it. So we are getting rid of the back while working on it under a temperature. So like getting it rid is not that kind of easy, but you can see we are getting it off. So right now we are going to be showing you when the phone is fully ready. Watch out, guys. Boom! As we can see, our XS MASback iPhone is ready to use. As you can see, clean and very neat. Our work is perfectly 100%. We assure you that any gadgets that you bring to us, we are gonna get it done for you. And stay tuned for other videos. Thank you.